The menstrual cycle is a complex process that occurs in the female body every month. It begins with menstrual bleeding, marking the first day of the follicular phase. At this stage, the levels of estrogen and progesterone are low. Hence, the top layers of the uterus's thickened lining break down and are shed. As the cycle progresses, the pituitary gland releases follicle-stimulating hormone. This hormone stimulates the development of 5 to 20 follicles in the ovaries, each containing an immature egg and producing estrogen. One of these follicles becomes the dominant follicle, growing faster than the others. As the dominant follicle matures, estrogen levels rise significantly. This rise in estrogen inhibits the secretion of more follicle-stimulating hormone, allowing the smaller follicles to die off. The increased estrogen also helps thicken the uterine lining with nutrients, preparing it for a potential pregnancy. The ovulatory phase begins when there is a surge in luteinizing hormone and follicle-stimulating hormone. This surge causes the dominant follicle to release its egg into the fallopian tube, starting its journey towards the uterus. Ovulation typically occurs around day 14 of the menstrual cycle. In the luteal phase, levels of luteinizing hormone and follicle-stimulating hormone drop. The ruptured follicle closes and forms a corpus luteum, producing more estrogen and progesterone, further thickening the uterine lining. If fertilization occurs, progesterone supports the early stages of pregnancy. However, if fertilization does not happen, the corpus luteum breaks down after 9 to 11 days, leading to a drop in estrogen and progesterone levels. This drop triggers the commencement of the menstrual phase once again. In summary, the menstrual cycle involves hormonal changes that regulate various phases. Understanding this cycle can help in appreciating how the female reproductive system functions. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and share it, and consider subscribing for more enlightening content on medical topics.